AMD's CTO just made a bold claim. AI running on your desktop will be more transformative than the smartphone ever was. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Tuesday, August 4th, 2026. In AI News today, AMD's CTO Mark Papermaster is making a massive call. Local AI running on your own desktop will be more transformative than the smartphone. That's not a small claim. He says on-device agents give users real privacy and control, open ecosystems beat walled gardens, and AMD is already using AI inside its own chip design process, shaving months off development schedules. The era of edge AI is closer than most people think. Also in AI investment news, the smartest money in the room is no longer chasing the next LLM. Sequoia, A16Z, and Khosla Ventures are pouring billions into nuclear energy and critical minerals to power AI data centers. Two massive funding rounds dropped on the same day, and that's not a coincidence. The bet is simple. Whoever controls the energy and raw materials controls the AI future. Infrastructure is the new frontier, also from Visa. The payments giant just dropped $2.4 billion to acquire BioCatch, an AI-powered fraud detection startup out of Tel Aviv. Here's what makes BioCatch different. It doesn't just check your password. It watches how you type, how you swipe, how you move your mouse, and flags anomalies in real time. Behavioral biometrics at global payment scale. Visa is betting that catching fraud before it happens is worth every penny of that price tag. In AI regulation news, the EU AI Act just got real. The European Commission's AI office has officially activated its enforcement powers. That means regulators can now walk into any AI company operating in Europe, demand their technical documentation, order changes to how their models work, and hit them with significant fines if they don't comply. This isn't a warning shot. General-purpose AI models are the primary target. The age of voluntary AI compliance in Europe is officially over. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about local AI versus smartphone impact in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.